You've been coding for months, maybe even a year, but deep down, you feel like you're not actually improving. Let me confirm something immediately. This video will show you exactly why that's happening and how to fix it. Most people believe getting better at coding is about watching more tutorials, more courses, more videos, more learning. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Tutorials make you feel productive without actually making you skilled. Because when you watch tutorials, your brain is recognizing, not recalling. And recognition is easy, real coding isn't. So what exactly works? Instead of watching more, start building more. And I don't mean perfect projects. I mean messy, uncomfortable, confusing, frustrating projects. Because that's where real learning happens. Here's a simple system. Pick a small project like a to-do app. Try building it without a tutorial first. Get stuck. That's the whole point. Then search for solutions only when needed. Now here's where most people fail. They quit when it gets hard and go back to tutorial for comfort. But if you don't push through that struggle, you will stay in the tutorial hell forever. Quick recap. Stop overwatching. Start building. Struggle intentionally, and if you want beginners-friendly project ideas to start with, I've added some in the description below.